Welcome back to Stock Talk. I'm your host, Josh, and today we will be covering everything about the basic tools you can use to help your trading experience. First of all, we have to learn about stop orders. As a trader, you are allowed to put a number in, and if that number is reached, it will sell your shares. This is good, so if you aren't able to pull out in time before the stock drops, then you will be able to minimize your losses. The same can be done if you want to play it safe, and at a certain number of profit, your shares could be sold. Another great tool investors can use is what's called a stop limit order. This can put a bare minimum at which you want to sell your stock. The reason that you would want to do this is a little complicated, so bear with me. If you set a stop order at $50 and a stock drops to $45 at the after hours, then your stock will be sold at $45, not the initial $50. This could be due to a bad earning call in the aftermath or the aftermarket, or some other bad experiences. A stop limit will help prevent this. Let's say the same thing happens, but you have a stop limit at $47. Your shares will not be sold at the initial $47 because of the limit, and you will still have your shares to the next day. Now we're going to be checking at some of the portfolios that I've given you over the times. Okay, we have a bunch of portfolios to go over. Here's the oil and energy stocks that might rise. Today, they didn't do so great. Oil's down right now a lot. Yeah, only one of them is positive. That's the Saudi Arabian oil company. And let's check the next one. If my thing wants to load. Stocks that might rise in a market correction. Yikes, that's also down. Okay, well, that's not a good number right there. Bad number. We have 3 positives and 4 really bad negatives. Let's hope the other ones are better. Now let's hope we have some better numbers on our other ones. Good stocks around $20. Let's check that one out. So we have a total gain of 237% on Overstock. That's good. We have a pretty big down numbers. Okay, my thing wants to refresh right now. Okay, as I was saying, we got good numbers on Overstock. Some pretty bad numbers right there. There. Yeah. We also have 2 more positives, a 25% on Flowers and 24% on Glue Mobile. I mean, if you invested into the Overstock, you hit big. The other ones, not so much. But let's go into the best portfolio, in my opinion. Stocks to benefit from the coronavirus. Okay, and here is where most of my bangers hit. We have a 200% on Moderna. We have down on Bristol. We have a 10% on AbbVie, 25% on Grubhub, 30% on Clorox, 105% on Wayfair, 45% on VIP Shop Holdings, 50% on JD.com, 32% on Amazon. When we have 2 numbers that are in the negatives, that would be Bristol and that would be Baba. So this portfolio is up a total of $885 per share per stock. So if you guys invested in this one, you guys hit big. And I'm afraid that's all the time I have for today. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you are new. 5 likes is another video on Fridays. And I will see you guys in the next one.